Okay, so we're going to do some I deserve process and change the thermostat setting as it relates to experiencing money miracles. We're going to use the phrase I deserve big money miracles, but when we say these words, we're not using them as an affirmation. We're not trying to convince ourselves these things are true. We're not going to say it over and over and over again 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times until more and more of us believes these words are true. Instead, we're going to use them more as a diagnostic. We're going to say the words out loud, and we're just going to pause for a couple seconds and be aware of what happens. Do we have thoughts coming to our head? Do we hear a voice? Do we feel emotions, physical sensations, energy moving? Just what happens when we say the words. So I invite everyone to go ahead and say these words out loud after me, and just pause for a couple seconds and be aware of what unfolds. So the phrase is, I deserve big money miracles. Good. So if you have a piece of paper and a pen handy, go ahead and jot down some notes. Or if you like, you can pause this video to grab a pen and paper and come back and continue. Go ahead and jot down some notes. Thoughts, feelings, images, memories. What comes up for you when you say those words out loud? And when you're ready, you can put a number on this phrase. So what the number is, a 10 out of 10 means that when you say the words, you know in every cell in your body, every aspect of your being, you know that these words are 100% true. There's no doubt, there's no resistance, there's no yeah, but, what about this? None of that. So that would be a 10. A 1 would be not at all true in any aspect of your being. So go ahead and write down your number. So we're going to do some clearing here in just a second. And ultimately, the idea with these thermostat setting processes is to get it all the way up to a 10. Some of you may experience that right now with this video. Others may need some additional support. I imagine everyone or almost everyone will get some meaningful shift or clearing here though. So now we're going to use the Compassion Key mantra. We're going to use the Compassion Key shortcut technique to do some clearings. So the Compassion Key mantra is, I'm so sorry. And we use the phrase and we fill in the blank afterwards. For example, I'm so sorry you're sad. Or I'm so sorry that bad thing happened. We do use the word you because it's as if we're just pouring the compassion inside so it can reach whatever wounded aspect or wounded aspects plural, whichever wounded parts of ourselves inside need that compassion. So we're standing in the shoes of our highest self or our fully integrated self, giving compassion to all the wounded parts. So you just repeat after me exactly as I say, including using the word you, not I. So we'll say our I deserve phrase again just to kind of keep it fresh, kick up the stuff again, and then we'll do some compassion around it. So again, the phrase is, I deserve big money miracles. Okay, and now we'll do some compassion. So I invite everyone to take a nice full breath, focus on your heart center and solar plexus, and say these words out loud after me. I'm so sorry the big miracle never came. I'm so sorry you're sad. I'm so sorry what you hoped for and longed for never showed up. I'm so sorry you're angry I'm so sorry life isn't fair. I'm so sorry you're not in control. I'm so sorry life is a game that you can't win. I'm so sorry this whole thing is a cruel joke. Okay, good. So now we want to say our phrase again, our I deserve phrase. I deserve big money miracles. So what do you notice this time? Is it the same or different? How's your breathing? What do you notice in your body? Go ahead and jot down some notes. So what we're doing here is I deserve big money miracles. This is an expression of your soul's highest truth. And when you say the words out loud and there's all this resistance and noise and reaction, all this stuff in the way, that's what's getting in the way of that being true for you today, right now in your life. So we use the Compassion Key shortcut process, the Compassion Key mantra, to clear out whatever is separating you from that truth. And that truth of I deserve is so important because that's what sets the set point. That's what sets the money thermostat. Life is like a negotiation. We get what we think we deserve. When we know in every cell in our body, every aspect of our being, with no doubt or resistance, no debate, 100% absolutely that this is true, we will have that. The universe will conspire on our behalf. We will take action. We will not settle for less. We will have that. So let's do another round of clearing. So again, we'll say, I deserve big money miracles. Please say that out loud again so we can see what's in the way. And again, nice full breath. Focus on your heart center and solar plexus. I'm so sorry miracles aren't real. I'm so sorry other people get miracles, but not you. I'm so sorry you can't have that. I'm so sorry you can't join the celebration. I'm so sorry you were left out. I'm so sorry everyone else got to celebrate, but not you. I'm so sorry big money miracles are only for special people, and you don't think you're special enough. I'm so sorry they told you you're not special enough. I'm so sorry you believed their lies. Okay, good. One more time. I deserve big money miracles. So again, you can just jot down some notes. What's the same or different? Thoughts, feelings, images, memories. So when we say a phrase like, I'm so sorry miracles aren't real, that's where we're using the power of our words to uncreate. Some part of us has the experience, maybe in a past life or maybe in this life. There's some part of us that concluded miracles aren't real. That's their subjective experience. So we give ourselves compassion for that. We give the wounded aspects compassion. It heals that wounded aspect so we can reintegrate them. And it also uncreates that characteristic in our reality today. We're uncreating that which we meet with compassion dissolves. I'm so sorry miracles aren't real. We can dissolve that. Now miracles are real. You can receive miracles, including big money miracles. So this gives you an idea. This is a couple rounds of the process. Ultimately, in a live session, we could spend more and more time. I could get your feedback. I could work with people individually, hear some of your comments coming in over the webcast, read some of your comments, and we just spiral up until everybody's at hopefully at least an 8 or maybe up to a 10. It's a lot of fun. So we'll be doing this on the upcoming Money Thermostat sessions. There are 3 of those leading up to the I Deserve program. We also did some of this in the call with Darius. We worked on another phrase, changing the thermostat setting. So you'd probably want to check out that as well. So thanks so much for co-creating here across time and space. It's always a pleasure to connect with you, and I'll look forward to seeing you again very soon. Many blessings.